Good afternoon. Last section we did back and front pattern for men's basic shirt. In this section we are going to do the sleeve pattern. This is the basic sleeve. This is the upper arm length. Top of the sleeve to sleeve open. This is the upper arm length. See, this is the underarm length. This is the wrist opening or sleeve opening. This point to this point is the underarm length or bicep measurement. The top of sleeve 2 till the armpit. This height is called sleeve cap height or sleeve crown height. See the curve line. This is the sleeve armhole along the curve. This is equal to now we list the basic measurement for the sleeve pattern. One is sleeve length, then sleeve open, then bicep width and along curve measurement. Already we have two measurements. One is sleeve length and sleeve open. The another two measurements we have taken from the bodice pattern, front and back body. Now we are going to calculate the bicep measurement. For this, you measure from the LSP point to arm depth point. In the back pattern, just measure like this straight. In this, you got around 22 centimeter point 22 point. Now we are going to calculate the armhole curve measurement. For this, you have to measure from the back LSP to front LSP along the curve line. You have to measure like this. When you measure this, you have to measure along the curve line till the back LSP. It's come around 50 centimeter and 7 mm. So now we get all measurement. This is the sleeve length. The sleeve length is here 66 centimeter. Is the including cuff depth. So the cuff is separate pattern. So we have to reduce 6 centimeter from 66. So we get 60 centimeter for the sleeve length. The sleeve open is 26 centimeter. Is the round measurement. The next one is bicep width. This is the sleeve width measurement. When you measure the back pattern, it's come 22.2 centimeter from LSP to arm depth. We are doing the full pattern, so this measurement we have to multiply by 2. So the total sleeve width is 44.4 centimeter. This is the armhole. First we have to draw the vertical line. Then we have to draw the horizontal line. This should be 90 degree. Then we have to mark the sleeve length. Now the sleeve length is 60 centimeter. We have to mark this on the vertical line. We have to mark. Then we have to mark a horizontal line. For this should be parallel to the previous. Now we have to mark the bicep measurement. The bicep measurement is 44.4 centimeter. This we have to mark both sides equally from the center line. So each side we have to mark 22.2 centimeter. We have to mark 22.2 centimeter, and the bottom line also we have to mark 22.2 centimeter. Then square it. Now we mark this also. Now we decide this is the front, this is the back, this is the sleeve open, this is the top of the sleeve. Now we have to mark the armhole curve measurement. This measurement is 50.7 centimeter. This we have to mark both sides equally. So this measurement we have to divide by 2. We get 25.35. This measurement you have to mark from the center to side line at the top. You measure like this slantingly. Wherever you made 20.35, just put it. Okay. Then you measure this length from the top to this mark. You get how much? 12.2. The same you mark this side. Then we have to connect. Now we have to mark 1 centimeter at the top line from center line. We have to mark 1 centimeter. Then at the bottom line, so we have to mark 1 centimeter from the side line. Then we have to connect these 2 points. The same you have to do this side also. Now we are going to mark the sleeve open measurement. This measurement is 26 centimeters, is the round measurement. So the 26 we have to mark both sides equal. So each side we have to mark 13 centimeters. Okay, then we have to give the button extension allowance or cuff overlapping allowance. This is 1.5 centimeter. Then we have to give the pilot allowance. This is the depends. Suppose the pilot depth is 1.5 centimeter, we have to give 3 centimeter. Then we have to connect this point to this point. Under one point to sleeve side seam. Now this is the inseam. The same we have to do this side also. Just measure this center to the side seam length is how much? Around 17.3. Just mark here 17.3 and connect it. Now we extend 1 centimeter at the inseam. Both sides we have to extend 1 centimeter. Then we have to connect these 2 points by curve line. Now in the front part, the slanting line we have to divide it by 4 and you have to mark it. Now you get 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 portions. In the back, I have to measure this length. The slanting line length is how much? 23.5. From the 23.5, we have to mark 60% of the 23.5. So the 23.5 divided 100 into 60, we get 60%, 14.1. From the top, you have to mark 14.1 centimeters. Then we have to mark middle of the each part. So the 14.1 is the how much? 7.5. So it is how much? Whatever length, just is the 9.5. 5, so 4.75. Okay. In the front, at the top first point, we have to mark 1.5 centimeters towards up. Follow the arrow. Then at the third point, we have to mark 1 centimeter towards down. 1.2 centimeter we have to mark towards down. Then at the back, we have to mark 1.5 centimeter at the top. At the last third point, we have to mark 0.5 centimeter towards down. Now we are going to connect these points by curve line. We start with this top point through 1.5 centimeter point, middle point, then 1.2, then finally we come to the last point. Now I am going to draw the curve line by using the front point. The same, this side also, the back also you have to do. Now we are going to mark the sleeve slit. The sleeve slit placement you calculate from the sleeve open measurement. The sleeve open measurement is 26 centimeter. The 26 divided by 4, we get 6.5. The E is 1 centimeter, so total 7.5 centimeter. This measurement you have to mark from the side seam line at the back. So 7.5 centimeter. Then we have to square off. Now you have to mark the length of the slits, whatever required measurement. Suppose for 15 centimeter, you mark 15 centimeter. So this is the sleeve slit length. I trace this from the basic sleeve pattern. If you cut through this line, after that if you fold the center line, you can find out the armhole deep difference. The front armhole is more deeper than the back armhole. Now I cut the pattern. If you fold the center line, you can see the difference of the front and back armhole deep. See, now the front armhole is deeper than the back armhole. Now I cut the sleeve pattern. Now we are going to fold the center line of the arm. See, now you can see the difference of the armhole deepness. The front armhole is more deep than the back armhole. Now the sleeve pattern is over.